What's up, guys? Chris Jones, owner operator of Speed of Sound Audio Experts in Somersworth, New Hampshire. We just finished this 21 Road Glide, and we're going to show you how the sound system sounds and do a little distance walk away. Pretty close to 100 yards from the bike.